Sanje Dam Jejongo, Ritan Jingur Jamso Chapta, Katin Sombame. Pangulam Madam Bishop Jebe Mondul Jemame Balocos on Goba Chimbo and Chan Sajin, Jabso Cheo. Tutanam Badam Jeto to Zawa Jimbo and Jesu Zondo so. In the Sanjego Nanyam Nayang, Katia Sanjego Lelhavingo, Pangulam Bishop La Solwande. Nisodovelona Jela Jo Kanto Jojo Dong Jidena, the Jolamar Jorva Kansota. The Indir Tambijuji Chanbeji, Yamardoba Dam Gender She, Laikedan Ludan Ujenge, Ruvanda Dame again. Doagunji Dage Jetombo, Tamjekedo, Chuyang to Juruji. Wana Manjunange Tadanyam Besimjan Tamje. Then they were Lana Mebayanda, Zob Sanji, Gushidan Ishimaya Dani, Chaudapas Doji Changchim, Goman Ladagi, Gina Jangobacha, Di Chedo, Dambichu Sene, Don Surgendo, Nyamsalamber, Chawanyambe, Gulon Chanju Chodo, Tujabadan Demicone, Sensa.
Now think to yourself that it is in order to bring all sentient beings to the lasting happiness of Buddha, whose nature is the four kayas, the state of Vajradhara, that in order to do this you shall do everything you can, and it is for this sake that you are listening to the Dharma today. So please listen with this attitude of bodhicitta.
Tene, da, there's some Sanji Kunji Tinaji Ranso. And Daja Namji, this is Serpent Jamni, by Jawan Bakamba Choge, Teni Tadinalaya, Yamakashi Shingla, Comchikor, Teni Shego, Goresonka, Nas, Tendida, Terenda Sani, Yamanilaya, Jitang Comchi, Tang, Teni Yamatamadela, Chajing Goto, Teni Cinema, Sheshos and Teni Katnaso.
Now, on this occasion, the embodiment of the activity of all the Buddhas of the three times, the glorious Gyalwang Karmapa, has instructed me to give meditation instruction over the course of a few days. And so as the Karmapa has instructed, today and tomorrow, for 2 days, we will have general instructions on meditation. And then on the last day, I will speak in particular about the subject of Mahamudra.
Teninda Trin Shoge Sangwitabo Misu Chamba Jalbi Jasap Teni Gosi Jazarum Bichoge Tata Chajingi Ta Shi Lam Jabu Den Tamji Sik Nyungla Golhao Den Duba Teni Lungdang Rigba Menagi Jenny Cha Samachi Song Nang Sasu Tindu Chitange Ngala de la share kind Yamare and Laparto Maranglaya Cabin Namju Drubinyamdo, then a kind Yamare, Diana Yang, then a Kaki do Jamne, Chenambalaya, that Yang Gamaba Gamacho, some Chene, then a Tortu and Shay.
So this morning, Goshri Gyaltsep Rinpoche, the embodiment of the Sangwadapo of the Secret Lord, gave instructions on Mahamudra about the ground, path, and and fruition. He spoke few words, but they were easy to understand with a profound meaning. And so they gave a complete presentation. And so I personally have actually nothing more than that I can say than that. I have no qualities of scholarship, nor have any of the realization or experience or realization for practice. But to say it in a colloquial way, just so as not to go against the Gyalwang Karmapa's words, I will say a few things.
Da Garanso Sanji Jumdendegi Chuji Pombo, Jetishidong, Sanem Messi Mambo Sungore, Chuji, Namdang, Sam Jimijaba, Ndodang, Ha, the name Jachambo, Ding Saba, Mambo Sungore, Yinayang, that the dig Chuji Pombo, Jetishidong Lasso, Chutamji, Ningbu Duna, Nyamsalembe Capso, the Mengang look Nyamsalembe Capso. 최탐제 닝보도 드니 냠스 랭고고 요래 마도 아니 저지봉보 제리시동 다 나라야 하고 그면 림바신도 직니 숨시 장가 잡아이나 되네 차상 하고야 깔카고래 이나양 맹아 값소 그 차상 닝보 드니 대지게 땅라 대네 되네 저지봉보 제리시동 닝보도 소 드니 냠스 랭고래 송벌
Our teacher, the Bhagavan Buddha, taught 84,000 different teachings of Dharma. It's an incredibly large number of teachings. There's so many different types of Dharma teachings. There are the sutras, there are the tantras. They're incredibly vast and deep and profound. There's so many of these different teachings. But when we practice, we need to practice the essence of these 84,000 different Dharma teachings, and that condensed essence, the distillation of them, is the pith instructions. So in the tradition of the pith instructions, we take the essence of and practice that. So we distill the essence of the 84,000 types of Dharma teachings, and we condense this into something that we can practice in terms of the pith instructions on a single seat. And so we need to, in this way, this is how we need to practice the distillation of the 84,000 different Dharma teachings.
다 so 더드나 간데 두고르스나 식숨을 두기요래 송어래 식숨 던다숨 다 던다 숨부대 가레스나 저와 무지 제스 다 데숨 나는 두고요래.
So if we need to distill the essence, how do we do that? Well, the essence can be distilled into 3 words. So these 3 words are the preparation, the main practice, and the follow-through. So that makes it easy, right?
所以很容易吧？
다 개바제나 제리시동 다이나 되나 숨 되는 별라라 버려셨어.
So in the vast scale, it's 84,000, but if you condense it, it's 3. So that's quite easy, isn't it?
다들 숨데 당보 저와 대가레스나 겸조당 셈제니레 무지 되는 미과 매봐 다 다음에도 그 시럽게 쓰인 거고 쓰는 거고 제라 뭐하다 말람 다들 숨 상황이나 되네 주의봉부 제리시동 네 차상 두조요.
So of these 3, what is the first of them, the preparation? It is refuge and bodhicitta. And then the second, the actual practice, is being non-referential, the prajna that realizes egolessness. And then the follow-through is the dedication and aspirations. And so these 3 contain all the main points of the 84,000 teachings.
디 생돼 게 갈래 잡고 서베 겨르면도 알았어. 되네. 다 당보 저와들라 잠로단 셈게 디네다 셈게 그 거데 최된 제만나 대시오다 다다 먼도 잠로 거데 시야인스.
So the preparations are refuge and bodhicitta. I'll speak about bodhicitta in the next session. So first, now I will speak about refuge.
다 잠로 될라야 제바체나 나 지단계 잡수 주베 율드 난 잠조게 예와라서 봐 망부시어래 난 너드나 잠조 세드 될 템바 암 켈렘바직 잠조 세게요래 데인드 상제라 템바 쳬라 람 겐된라 람 주베토 다 데르직 켈렌네 담자와이나 다 될 잠조.
If we speak about refuge at length, then we would talk about the sources of refuge, the duration of refuge, the different types of refuge. There are a lot of different things we could speak about. But in brief, when we say going for refuge means that we are approaching or we are promising, committing to something. So we are promising or committing to going to the Buddha for refuge as the teacher, to the Dharma for refuge as the path, and to the Sangha as refuge to the Sangha for refuge as our companions on the path.
다 상제에서나 되네 상제에서나 당부 나랑서 낭신레 샘진 탐말바 ngaransola nyamamba yore marikpa chulba dungal mamba yore ta yinayang ta dana shoge goji jazarum bu songso ngaransola ya ji dewarship nyingbo second yore de si dewarship nyingbo de ngoshen ni chima tham je sheji jeba nyamamba chima tham je jangsin da dene da tokbake yonde chemba da zewa다 니비연데 삼제 메자보 온도 줄어들 상제세요래 다데 상제데 상지가 ngomade ngaranso nal shoyore tiende semje namne 상지 ni 원장 로브르 테메틱 손바나시 대 ngomala ngaranso게 ngo데다 ngaranso ngo데 신용보데다 다 상지 도지창 샤제토바 드즈고 ngoñile chebar khaye yo mare di indu tatti ngola chebar medu tene ngaranso khawala chamne dungal yo ondo karechine jongso marsana marikba la tene ji nyamo badang lesane khawala chambare tadela wanjang lobur tematives lobur tema ade salwayina ngaranso 상지 찾아오요.
So what is the Buddha? First of all, the Buddha was just like us, an ordinary sentient being with the afflictions, with ignorance, with suffering, and all the obscurations. But as Gosri Gyaltsab Rinpoche explained this morning, all of us have the ground present, Buddha nature present within us. And if we recognize that, then we can purify all of the stains, all the obscurations, the afflictive obscurations, the cognitive stains, and so forth. And when we do that, we will develop realization. We will develop the infinite qualities of wisdom, love, and power. And that is what we call a Buddhahood. So the essence is within us. The essence is, in essence, all sentient beings and all the Buddhas there's absolutely no difference at all. So for us, within our essence, and the Buddha Vajradhara, the Buddha Shakyamuni, in essence, there's not even the slightest bit of difference between any of us. So there's no difference in the essence. Then how is it that we wander in samsara and experience suffering? It is because of ignorance. Because of ignorance, we have the afflictions. We commit karmic acts. We wander. And so this is why it is said that all sentient beings are Buddhas, but they are hidden by adventitious stains. If we are able to eliminate those adventitious stains, then we will also become Buddhas.
다 상제라 켐바당 제와 니비연된 삼제 메자버여라 다 상제기 켐비 시세도 되네 탐제 켐바 진입의 켐바 세지 추탐제 켐기여라 다 나란소 데나라야 다다 다 상시자 가주말람 소여라 가주말람 소백갑소 되네 지 된라야 상제다 전제 선바탐제 젠젠 안 드설이야 연락 듬바 되네 디제소 몰람 들으시고요. 다 되네 진에 몰람 쉬고 값소 되네 소 셈나라 가르 땡거르스나 다 상지도 되네 쉬요. 상지게 꿈도 찬센데서 살보 고마톰네 제바요 말에 강시 상지 예제바 대인 듣는 투바쇼스 다 상지 좀 낸데라 켐비 예세데 나랑조 소와 땀나얀자 소 마땀나얀자 들 제바요 말에 단다랑 나게 되나야 최시에게 그 저기 이렇게 넘버 생기요래 다다 니값소 나게 셈나라 가르 젬바 체랑 남베게 셈나라 가르 젬바 아니 직진한 젠남베 돌아 오 차와 침부도다 인공 차와의 채로 줘는다 니 후로도스 야나니 다 가깝네 추통 고자랬어 나라도 셈날라 자 아무래 댕게로 와 다 전부 챙겨요래 산제게 디인데 다데 산제로 써 땀나 산지 챙야다 산제로 써 마땀나 산지 마쳔 받는 요 말에 되네 미카시게 산지를 인공 쏘았다고 그러면 첸을 쏘았다 요 말에서 산지 심고 되었어 아니 첸을 쏘았다나 아니 산지 심조네 소리서 다디 오다 작은데 저는 공부 숨부렸어 가시게 된다고도 아니 가시게 되네 산지를 쏘았다나 깨침을 잡으랬어 깨침을 잡는 양자람 되네 깨침을 잡는 양자 쏘았다 바이나 산지 오이 되게 간이 용이 있어라 도지 되네 다 미약부지게 나를 대바지네 또 쏘았다고도 인지 뭐지 dim밀라 나 진압지 난고사를 가래서는 코 미약을 해도 늦은 메신다 또 쏘날 쏘았다고 믿으러 와 콘스미 두자래 삼으로는 요말에 대인도 상지를 쳔발라 닌당 쳔 뒤스 타릉통 안 쏘았다 뭐다 제바간 요말 대인도 다 쳔남바 산시 말람 소모 가브레 가도에는 다 산지들 쇼요 삼나 자자자 쇼요
So the Buddha has these inconceivable and uncountable qualities of wisdom, love, and power. And so when we think about the wisdom, the qualities of the Buddha's wisdom, of knowing, his omniscient wisdom, that means he knows, the Buddhas know everything, everything knowable. For example, when we hold the Kagyu Munlam, during the Kagyu Munlam, we invite the Buddhas and Bodhisattvas to come in front of us, we do the 7-branch offering, we make aspirations and so forth. And at that time, what do we think in our mind? It's if we think the Buddha knows what it is that we're thinking in our mind. Maybe it's like it doesn't really matter whether we can visualize the Buddha clearly or what the Buddha is holding. What's important is that we have belief that the Buddha is there. It is as said, whoever has the belief, the Buddha is in front of them. And so with the wisdom of the Buddha, then it makes no difference at all whether we are praying to the Buddha or not. There's no difference. For example, now as I'm teaching the Dharma and as you're listening, then there's what I'm thinking in the mind and whatever you're thinking in your mind. Maybe you're all thinking out there thinking, oh, it's getting even hotter and hotter in the daytime. I'm starting to feel really sleepy. Or you might think that I'm getting really thirsty. Maybe I should have a drink of water. There are all these various different things we might think of, and the Buddha knows all of them. So the Buddha knows if we are praying. It's not as if the Buddha knows as if we're praying and does not know if we're not, and does not know as if we're not praying. It's not like that. It's also not like, some people might think, oh, we should pray to the Buddha during the daytime, but don't pray to the Buddha at night, because you'll wake him up. The Buddha will say, who's down there making that racket, waking me up? It's not like that at all. Or some people think to themselves that when you pray to the Buddha, you have to pray really loud. You have to pray in a very loud voice and over again, so that the Buddha will say, hey, who's that? Who's praying to me? Where does that praying come from me? Oh, down there in Bodh Gaya, there's this good person who's praying to me, who has a lot of faith. I think I'm going to go give them the blessings because they're a good person, but I'm not going to give the other people blessings because they aren't. They're bad people. I'm not going to bless them. It's not like that with the Buddha. That's not the way the Buddha's wisdom works. Whether it's day or whether it's night, no matter what time it is, no matter what the distance is, whether we're praying or not praying, there's no difference at all. And so if we think to ourselves, especially if we think to ourselves during the Kagyu Munlam, the Buddha is in front of me, then it's 100% certain that the Buddha is there.
되네. 다 상jel라 된데기 쳔바. 연나양 제와 닝지 쳔보 메나? 내가랑 솔이야 툭지스기 말해. 다지 나랑 소그 강이 동알데 상제기 쳔나양 상젤 닝지 메나? 다다 코란소 냥나 냥주 말라 주도 가려래. ngani sangje chas koranso kare nyang na nyang khawala cham na cham samgirwa teni yo mare tende sangje ke ngaranso dongal de chemba chikpo mare zewa nyingji chambo yore tende ngaranso ya 동알에 좀득 도사와 니침보 요래 다 닝제 연아야 느바메나 내가 말라고 듬미 부 추켜라 난신세 아마 강발라바 메바지 눈을 보고대 추나나 롱 추게 캔르거든나 때 아마 내 가야 제토고 말아 보고대 추나를 겹토고 말아 된당신 마임바 나랑 솔래야 되네 상지게 진랍 꽃당 송당 투게 되네 투톱 누바 틀레 삼님에 잡아요.
Now the Buddha has these qualities of wisdom and knowing, but if the Buddha has these but did not have the love and compassion for us and did not regard us with compassion, then that wouldn't help. It's not like if the Buddha had these qualities and saw that whatever difficulties or sufferings, if they didn't have compassion, then the Buddha would not want to protect us from them. The Buddha would see, these beings are suffering, but what am I supposed to do with that? I don't want to get involved. I've already awoken to Buddhahood. Let them suffer if they're going to suffer. Let them wander samsara if they're going to. I'm not going to do anything about it. And so if the Buddha had such qualities, didn't care about our suffering, then he wouldn't be able to protect us from our suffering. Instead, the Buddha has the great compassion and loving kindness, the wish to protect us from all of our suffering. And so the Buddha has such great compassion. But even though the Buddha has such great compassion, if the Buddha did not have any power, then the Buddha would not be able to help us. He would be like a mother with no arms whose child was being carried away by a flood. The child would be carried away and she'd be unable to do anything about it. But the Buddha is not like that. For us, the Buddha has all the blessings, all the qualities of his body, speech, and mind, all of his powers and strengths.
다 산길에 켄진 뉴스음의 연된데 연아 다들 저와지요래 저와 빼면서 가르쳐 보죠래 근데 다시 저와데 지난 남비 투를 얘기를 내시가 지난 남아 송이
So if the Buddha has all of these qualities of wisdom, love, and power, then there's a question. And it's a really important question. Perhaps you all have it in mind. So should I say it or will you tell me?
所以，虽然佛陀呢，他具备了这3种大悲、大智、大利的这样一种无量的功德，但在这里有一个问题了，而且这是一个非常重要的问题。我想这样的问题也在你们心中可能都有着，所以在这里应该是我说呢，还是你们来说说？
야능에 지난남백 삽제네 산길에 저시오거라.
Or maybe I should ask the Buddha on all of your behalf.
或者应该我来代表大家向佛陀来请问一下吧。
다 저와데 가르스나. 다 산지 체게 나게 강이 체게 도스. 저 닝지 열했어. 닝지메 마치 누바 열했어. 다 얘나야 날 강에 망보지 도스. 니 말이래. 되네 나기도 사기도 대령이나 차와첨부도 와. 산지 누바 열나. 차와된 매번 마땅한 가랬어. 상기 체 도지된라. 데 말람 소자란 차와첨부도 고르나라야 차와첨부도 차와데 뇽로 땅로나. 세나? 상기게 말랑도 차와 이어버되게 동안에 챙겨 얘기래. 자와 닝지 첨문이 이어래. 네반이 얘기를 와. 가르치는. 그래서 동안도 매번 마땅. 마점네 가리했어. 되네 데 마치 잠불링이야 강에 망보 열어 상구 잡네 네발이야 미망보 정말에 단 내가 난신게 망추 되네 중화첨부 이익 넣어봐 내가 난신게 나랑서 미래를 셈낭라야 동알지 크루브레를 열어 야나 도샤 셰당 마절 차도 다도 강에다 동아도 마스 상네 즉 랑관이야 도지야 렌 캉바톨 이거 나신 다그 신감라야 너 펜벤 나신 만펜네 되는 만제네 가리엔스.
So what's the question? And the question is, okay, Buddha, Buddha, you've got these qualities of wisdom, you've got these qualities of compassion, you probably have the power to, but we experience so many difficulties every single day. We have pains and aches. Today it's really hot. And so, with all your power, can't you do anything to get rid of the heat? The Buddha has all this wisdom. You know how hot it is, and it's really hot in the tent. So please just do something to turn down the heat. So we have so many different. You know all of our sufferings, and you have compassion. You're supposed to have power too, but why is it that we're still suffering? Why can't you turn down the heat? It's like this with many other sufferings in the world as well. There was the earthquake in Nepal where many people died. There are wars. There are all sorts of natural disasters. And each person carries within their own mind a great burden of suffering, greed, hatred, delusion, pride, envy, and so forth. And so why can't you just eliminate all of that suffering? Why can't you just pick us up like a rock pick us up as if we were a pebble on the ground and throw it? Throw us like you're throwing a pebble into the pure realm. So why is it that you aren't doing this?
다 렌라 가리 열으시나? 다 렌드 바지 지나면 챙겨 있지래. 렌드 다 상제 가르송 열으시나? 레지 넘버 멤버네 마도소. 다 나랑 솔라야 레요래. 레드 투몽게 사샤벨레. 냠도 제부 냠도 맹게. 야나 미레레 게르게 란스게 게란스를 멤비게 레 달레 삼지 메자바시 요래 디디 레라 상제 그 쪼투고 말해 조투고요 말해 디인데 상제 그 지단게 되네 잠조당 나당 탑맹아 망부지 송네 찍을 팽이래 ཉ일 팽이를 망부 송네 타말라 레제 넘버 멤버네 마도소 스네 송요래.
And the answer is probably something that you also know. What the Buddha said is, except for the ripening of karma. And so we all have karma. We have common, shared karma. These are the results of actions we all do in common, that ripen upon us in common. Then each person has their own individual karma that ripens upon that person individually. And there's nothing that the Buddha can do to change or to fix that karma. And so the Buddha taught us to go for refuge. The Buddha taught many different mantras and different methods, and for many different things that can help in many different ways. But in the end, the Buddha said, except for the ripening of karma.
다 양 저와 니바시지래 나랑솔라 다 저와 니바데 상제게 나랑솔 레라야 쯤도 좀부터 봐이나 네 잠르잖아 가르팽이래 상제로 쏘았담나 팽간토그래 세대네 상그래 다들 저와 망부지어래 남기 다 이나양 상제게 레라 저 두고요 말데 이나양 나랑솔 잠르지 쏘았답 대바치바디가 레사도요. 디인드 대베 알로메나 투지자규 민진스. 디는 나랑서 대바치네 소와 충충 땀나 진랍 충충 영어래. 대바당 소와 딩기 진랍 딩. 대바당 소와 첨부게 진랍 첨부 영어래. 디인드 잠르지 대바치 소와 답. 대나랑서 몰람 초. 근데 제바디게 레상부사요래. 디 레상부사블라 때네 자자 자탐바. 제부 용어열에 랭엠바데 제로요. 랭엠바데 다도요.
So now there's also a second question, and you probably know this question too. If the Buddha can't do anything to fix our karma for us, then what good does it do to go for refuge? What benefit is there to praying? A lot of people ask this question. The Buddha may not be able to do anything to fix our karma, but if we go for refuge, have faith, and pray, then that is karma. It's like it is said, with the eye hole of faith, or the hook of compassion can hook into the eye hole of faith. So if we have faith, we supplicate, we pray to the Buddha, then we can receive the blessings. If we have small faith and make small prayers, we will receive small blessings. If we have medium faith and prayers, we'll receive medium blessings. And if we have great faith and prayers, then we'll receive great blessings. And so when we go for refuge, we have faith and we pray, we hold the munlam such as this, then we are accumulating good karma. And it's 100% certain that this will exhaust our bad karma and purify our bad karma.
홀라서 되네다 잠주 돈당 엄마데 되네지님 산질라 담바출라 람 겐돌라 람르부터 다데 전에 잠주다 선데도 몰람나 되네 domba 가드 소나야 딩골야 잠주체데 갈침버레 되네 인데다 다들만 제바잖냐 되수 형성만다 대가랑 잠주 더드치는 샤이스.
And so with going for refuge, we go for refuge to the Buddha as the teacher, to the Dharma as the path, and to the Sangha as our companions on the path. And so if we go for refuge and make aspirations in this way, then it's important that whenever we make aspirations, that we at the beginning go for refuge. So I think this is enough about refuge for right now. We haven't got time to go into more depth.
那么，所以在这里呢，皈依我们讲到的是，那么佛陀是导师，以及呢，这个法是我们的道路，还有僧是我们的友伴等等呢，这一些呢，这都是属于这个皈依它的这个意思。而皈依是非常重要，也是我们一开始都应该要做的。那现在在这里呢，可能我们没有更多时间来详细的这个解说皈依，所以我想皈依的部分就讲到这里。
那说的，等你等我是公寓过学院的，我是没办法的，安当不中呢，等你当半年个段到，但马中那样是买不起的搞清不嘞，我是去给我搞的，就那买吧，但是人买吧，是个的公寓我是找去，差个要嘞，人没公寓我是送把新是，我让做南军，到这长灯，算得那送个要了吧，但是公寓我的买吧。
So now to speak a little bit about the actual practice. As I said, the actual practice is non-referentialness. So in the best of cases, this means that we have the realization of emptiness. And if not, it means that we are undistracted. It's important that we not be distracted. No matter what virtuous dharma we do, it's important not to be distracted. And so it's as it is said, being undistracted is the essence or the main practice of meditation. As we say in the Vajradhara lineage prayer, non-distraction is the main practice, as it is said. And so the main part of our meditation is being undistracted.
다 담관이요래. 담관이. 지난번 차장쇼아. 차장이라 뭐 차예요 말해. 아니 차대서 장나 르젤레 팽리. 근데 담관이.
So there are two choices here. And when I give you the choices, you've got to raise your hands. That's a little bit of exercise for you. So you've got two things to choose from.
好，在接下来呢，就要给你们2个选择啊。那么待会儿你们要举手，对于举手来说是比较不好意思的，而且举一举手也是蛮好的运动。
근데 다 담관이데 가래 쉬나? 당보? 검중오 모두 쉬네. 근데 검식인데 가래 검중오데 가래 되는 모두 쉬에 뭐라 대시와함? 양나? 뭐라 검지 차려 잡. 알았어. 차로 검견 안. 뭐래 영화 진짜네 검지견. 안 디젤 검중 오 드슈. 근데 당관이데 가려야서래.
So we've got two choices. The first is that I give a brief introduction to the essence of meditation. what is meditation? How do we do it? So I give that introduction first. Or the second choice is that we first do a bit of meditation together. We get a little bit of experience, and then I give you the introduction. So those are the two choices.
라서 다 검중 모주 검중 오 가리엠바 띵 모주 몰라 쉬는 약사를 거나 차장샤
So raise your hand if we should have the introduction to meditation and the essence of meditation first.
想要我先这个介绍什么是禅修，禅修的本质是什么，先做介绍的请举手。
차장샤
Raise your hands.
这个想要先来的请举手。
어야 나 당원이 바데 몰라 검지 차를 잡샤바이나 냠냠 몰라 전에 몰라 건 잡아 디 약사를 거나 야 차장샤
So for the second choice, if you think it's better to get a little bit of experience and do some meditation together first, raise your hands.
好，那么第二个呢，就是想要我们一起先来做禅修，就一起先做这个体验禅修的，请举手。
야야야 아 견딘나만 망치 어쩌고 몰라 소나 선에 차장도 미망도 망치 고무만 잡나
So most of the Sangha raised their hand for the introduction first, and most of the public raised their hands for the meditation first.
啊，多数的僧众呢都是想要这个那么介绍禅修先来做，那多数的在家众都希望先一起做禅修。
딱 견딘바 마도 뒤인데 견딘바 가르쳐는데 제이스
So there's more Sangha here, so we'll do what the Sangha wants.
所以呢，因为在这里这个僧众是多数啊，所以呢就僧众说了算。
알았어 다 다 검중 오데 젬바스 젬바 뒤인데 마잉바 젬바 젬바 세근데 가르쳐나 젬바 세근데 하고겐스 하고겐 시에되게 나랑 다다 가르치기요 가르삼기요 서로와 가르치는 것도 대 하고겐 하고되게 시에되게들라 젬바스기
So the essence of meditation is mindfulness. So non-distraction is mindfulness.
mindfulness or awareness.
Mindfulness or awareness.
Yeah.
So awareness or mindfulness is knowing what's happening. This awareness of being aware of what are you doing, what are you thinking, what are you feeling. Knowing that is awareness.
되네 다다 제놈아 가래 서로와 가래 연구도 다다
So right now, what do you feel?
차오도면도
Is it hot or not?
차오도나 차장시다.
So raise your hand if you're hot.
다 차오 여바데 학고신도 내봐이나 서로 차오 지러와 차오 영화도 학고네 내봐이나 전발해.
So if you know when you are hot, then that is awareness.
내사보다
It's easy, right?
초직는 삼았다나 내사보래.
If you think about it in one way, it's easy.
야, 다 넘발len지 차상게 차장쇼 차장쇼.
So everyone raise your hand.
다 제넘버게 라나스 차장게 여봐 하고도면도
So do you know that you're holding your hand up or not?
하고도해라. 제넘버 차장게 여봐 하고와이나 대 전발해.
If you know that you are holding your hands up, then that's awareness.
다 차칼레 마르르신 마샤나.
So now slowly lower your hand.
다 서로와 가르도
So what do you feel?
룽자바이나 장세지 지그래.
So if there's a little bit of wind, it feels cool,
도와
right?
그냥 가시엘라 최차오 이지래.
So some people, it's warm.
다 락발로 차와 가래 여바데 모시네 대바이나 서로와 젠바냐와 샤바 세요.
So if you recognize the feeling you have in your hands, then that is the foundation of mindfulness of feeling.
다 지고때서 도와
It's a little heavy, isn't it?
락바데스 나기도 하디나.
So your arms starting to ache, right?
다 데라 서로와 마데와 서로와 둥알래 서로와 대와 둥알 땅념 숨어 열어와.
So
이 소와 마데와 있는 마데임바 하고와 지대와 있나야 소와 젠바냐와 샤바 차도가.
So that is an unpleasant feeling, right? There's unpleasant or painful feeling. There are three types of feeling. There's the pleasant, unpleasant, and neutral. So when you feel that feeling and recognize it, then that is the foundation of mindfulness of feelings.
다 당시에서 다 야샤샤.
I'm tired, better put it down.
다 양생 차서
It's like really relief, right?
서로 대화래. 서로 대화.
It's a pleasurable feeling.
저 대화하고 지 대화이나양 소화 좀 많이 마셔 봐요.
So if you sit there recognizing the feeling of pleasure, that's also the foundation of mindfulness of feelings.
디인도다 지난 뭐 곰바자바이나 곰바자바 하고와 육바이나 육바 하고와 셀라시 수자시바이나 수자시바 하고와 아니 삼로 땅와이나 삼로 땅와 하고와 다사도누차 냐라서 봐 관계 값이 하고와 잼바데 시신 전 좋아이나 곰차로요.
So if when you are sitting, or if when you are walking, if you recognize that you're walking, if when you are sitting, you are aware that you are sitting, if when you're eating, you are aware that you are eating, when you're drinking tea, you are aware that you're drinking tea, if you when you are thinking about something, you're aware that you are thinking about something. When you are eating or going or sitting or pacing or lying down, whatever you're doing, if you know what you are doing, then that mindfulness and awareness becomes meditation.
다음 익세다양이다. 다디 익세데 갈래 가보시라 요 말에. 데인데 저랑 넘버 익세 최바당 마트 발라야 개발시라 요 말에. 데인데 못하고 말해. 가래 저와 쇼긴 툭 날라 가래였나 태강송로나.
So now I'm going to give you a quiz. And it's not a difficult quiz, so you shouldn't be worried about, there's no difference whether you pass or fail. But so whatever I say to you, then just immediately give the answer.
익세데 쇼래요 말해. 하고서 데인데 도대자는 많아.
There's no way you can fail this exam, or fail this quiz, so don't worry. So there are, if you're wondering how many questions are there in the quiz, there are 3 questions. So the first question is, do you understand what is mindfulness? So if you understood it and you can recognize what mindfulness is, then raise your hand. Good.
很好。
Second question is, if you didn't understand well what mindfulness is, then raise your hand. So raise your hand if you don't understand what mindfulness is. Oh, that's also good.
저 선바데 다 땐데라 전바도 고쳐송 트마송 간리래송 약보진 고뷰니로와 고축 고뷰송이나 태전 마무산 고뷰송이나 차장수.
And so the third question is, if you're not sure if you understood or not, you just can't figure it out, and you're starting to get a little bit confused about it, then raise your hand.
어디야고도.
Oh, that's also good.
다 저와 숨라 제 넘버 렌숨 잡송 렌숨가 렌 약보를 샤세.
So you all gave answers to the 3 questions, and all 3 of the answers are good answers.
디 렌숨가 저랑 넘버기 전바디 뭐셔.
And so with all 3 of these answers, I think you have all understood mindfulness.
그랬으나 제 넘버 야 전바 뭐셔송 전바생은 다 고조 삼바이나 전바 뭐셔바로 인데이 딜라시야 막아버지.
And so the reason is that when you're asked, do you understand mindfulness? If you raise your hand, say you understand, that's good. And there's no need to say more about that.
다제 넘버 나 전바 하고 마송 전바데 가리엠바 시에 마송 삼바이나 대양 전바 하고 있다래. 그래서나 나랑 마시바데 나랑 오시도와 나랑 한 먹어봐데 하고 그러 나 하고 마송 선에 차장도 딩에 한 먹고와 임발을 오시바데 전바래.
And the second one, when I asked, do you know, if you don't know what it is, if you don't understand, raise your hand. If you raise your hand, that's actually a sign of understanding what mindfulness is, what awareness is. Because if you don't know what it is, and you know that you don't know what that you don't understand it and don't know what it is, you raise your hand not knowing that you don't know, then that also is awareness.
Then len sumbate ta hago masong go bunirwa. Go toto tigas. Jambate courage line sarago hago. Te hago ne kare yore. Some go busoina. Teyang 전방 ngoshiwe tare. Karesana kerang go biwade kerang hago alwa. Nga go busong sene lakwa chang yoro. Ate jambare.
And the third question, we're saying if you completely didn't understand and got confused and bumfuzzled about whether you understand what mindfulness is, then realizing that you are completely confused and bumfuzzled, then that also is a sign of having awareness.
오, 나 덴데 인도 잼바싱에 코랑 ngola 하고와당 하마고와당 태좀당 장북 똑바 대바 무구 닝질라서바 냠바 똑바 되샤 샤당 때문라서 강기양 잼바 코랑 ngola 유르투고 말해 잼바 코랑 ngo데 장마 넘버 타바 아니 하고 되겠지 나랑솔라 가두이나 요래 대인도 드린 쇼게 잡지 자자로 뭐 송송 이 내로데 넘버 타바 제맘에 바지레스 다데 내로데 또야라 뇽와 고네 내로 또에게 냠렌데 젬바 그 땡니 내로도 모시오 고고요 아니 젬바데 야보 전에 당보 냠렌 제바 이나 되네 율 가래이는 양 장보 엠바 바르마 녀몽바 탐지 젬바기 땡 젬바기 조 아니 젬바기 되네 젬바기 공은 공 패발집에게 땡 차줘요.
And so when you, so this mindfulness is an awareness. It's whether you know something or whether you don't know something, whether you recognize it or not, whether you have doubt, when you have good thoughts like faith, love, and compassion, when you have bad thoughts like greed, hatred, and delusion, the essence of mindfulness or of awareness does not change. The essence of awareness is pure, it's clean, it's just knowing, and it's always present. It's like Kyabche Gyaltsen Rinpoche said this morning. The fundamental nature of all things is utterly pure, and it is stainless. And the method for realizing that nature as it is that doing this through the natural practice is to use awareness to practice it. And so when we have a strong awareness, then whatever object we're focusing on, whether it is a good thought or a bad thought, whether it is an affliction, whatever it is, anything that happens in our mind can become a basis or an aid for awareness. It all can be the basis for us to increase and strengthen our awareness.
Wala sudaganzu jembati nyamnen tata nyamnen ayinda komjam. Di inde da jembade ngarang sola 가두이는 열에 추수 20삽시 탐바 열에데 디 여발라 여발 모시게 요말 점바 코랑게 코랑 오마시 다디 모테 세나야 람상 제도 열에 디 마제네 짤장야라 되니 믹베땡 고 열에 점바디게 짤장야라 믹베땡 다 믹베땡 옥라셈데레 달라셈데레 죽 신부 대울라 소바 셈데 링다 마네 요레 디네타 달레 달라 셈데 베거 제네 콤야이다.
And so now we will practice awareness. We'll do some meditation. When we practice awareness, awareness is always with us. It's with us 24 hours a day, but we don't recognize it. We don't recognize our awareness. Or even if we recognize it a little bit, we lose it. And so in order to increase the strength of our awareness, we need a focus for our meditation. And that focus for the meditation can be breath, it can be the sound, it can be a form, it can be anything. But right now we will practice focusing on sound.
다들 르머니 당보데 자 간데진 년 그거 예미 자 년당 저치 쉐인다 곰마레 달미는 곰자야 마레 자 년에 자 간데진 년 그술 디르마 당보 심바 니바데 달미 비시네 달야 곰자에 심바 니 쉐인 첸상.
So there are two steps here. And the first of these steps is what sort of a sound we should listen to. How do we listen to the sound? This isn't the meditation yet. This is just how do we listen to the sound? What is the sound? And the second step is the shamatha meditation that focuses on sound. These are the two steps.
생겨도에
Can you hear that?
听得到吗？
디자드 생겨도나 차장쇼아.
So raise your hand if you can hear the sound.
알았어. 다 챘나봐 차장. 달 간데생 다신 셈비출 캔서 차장. 빠야고 쳤어.
So you all know how to listen to sound. That's very good.
다 르머니바데 달미 고민다. 달미 고.
So the second stage is meditation focusing on sound.
딘데 달미 고음데 슈가 마슈.
So should I explain it or not?
다다 슈가 제르 슈가.
Should I explain it first or later?
다다 슈나 차장.
So raise your hand if you think I should explain.
오야. 다 달미 고음데 가레세나? 슈타오레. 슈타스. 르머니바데 찼어.
Okay. So the meditation on focusing on the sound, you've already understood that. We've already gone through the second stage.
슈타레. 슈타와데 캔서 캔마서?
So I've already explained that. Do you understand?
나당이 띵동니 캔남발라 달 생겨돼 세슈디 오 차상가 자 거기도 차장소 어디 잼바래 잼바 자띵 세웠냐면 샘게 자대 고신도 대바라 데 잼바래 달라미 곰 다가랑.
It's because when I asked you, do you, we played the sound and went ding and asked you, do you hear the sound? Do you know how to listen to the sound? You raised your hand. Then that shows you have the awareness of knowing that you're listening to the sound. Isn't that the meditation itself?
벨레라버도
It's very easy, isn't it?
所以很容易吧？
암저게 자대 하고 나와나라 자퇴바도 냠도 샘기야 자녀 나와당 샘니 차라 자녀네 대샤바이나 다 달미 것이네 다가나 디는 간소 까마니서 찰 검자인다라.
So when you hear when the ear hears the sound and your mind listens to the sound, and these two go together, the ear hearing it and the mind listening to it, and these two are together, that is the shamatha that focuses on sound. So now we will meditate upon this for 2 minutes.
다 고소 장보 진시로나
So please sit up straight.
아니 고소 흘르제
Now relax your body.
아니 젠좀 인도나 젠좀 나야 되그래.
And if you want to close your eyes, you may close your eyes.
달라 세네 시로나.
Now please sit listening to the sound.
오, 라서 되네 다 다다 전섬 되네 샤이 되 수자 셰레
And so now we will take a break here. We will have the tea break.
好，我们
상다 곰래야 르네 게바당 드바 망부여다 게바 제바이나 남낭 추든 세네 손여라 다 드나 되네 니라 드도여 니데 가르스나 당보데 갈식 장보 진의 상 측여라 측 장보 진의 상야래 갈식 상야당 되네 니바데 르게 냐시 자시 르스 다냐 여러 다 짜당 규바도서 르르 전에 쉬어야래 된데 르게 짜당 규바 르르 쉬어야당 즉 갈식 장보상에 되니 되니라 르네게 내가 망치 도도여래.
So we sit up straight. And when we talk about the points of posture, there's a longer presentation and a shorter presentation. The longer presentation is the seven-pointed posture of Vairochana. But to make a say it in brief, there are 2 points. So these 2 points are, first, that you sit with your spine straight. So the bones of your spine are you're sitting up straight. And the second is that your limbs and your joints and your muscles are all relaxed. So as long as your joints and your muscles are all relaxed, that is important. So these are the 2 points. You're sitting up, your spine is straight, and your joints and muscles are all relaxed.
나서 다 고소 장부진 쇼 되는 달래 젠좀네 쇼가 젠좀네 쇼로나
So now please sit up straight and close your eyes.
다 달라 세네 쇼로나
Now please sit listening to the sound.
수불르르 선바양르르 전 자데 하고와 전 쇼로나
So your body relaxed, your mind relaxed, sit listening to the sound, just knowing it.
달라 선바 유릉부 때토고 말해 그 까르차 찍니 마도 때토고 말해 양 제토 그래 디그리 윤통통 마도 요 말해데 양자 달라 선바 때네 생고 그래 냥고 그래.
So maybe you can't listen for very long, maybe just a second or 2, but that's okay. So if it's a short time, then you listen again and then again. Focus your mind on the sound.
다 자카레 직 년전능 생요나 델레야 샘바테 거래 바바가 자당 모자가 자당 아니 미게 서샤베 자당 아니 칠로라야 미 깨제시베 달로서바 자카레 직 년나연 되게요래 자데 하고와 자데레야 샘바테 마잉 바테네 슈로나.
So now, whatever sound you hear, that you focus your mind on that. Might be the sound of a motorcycle or of a car, and someone coughing, some people outside having a conversation. Whatever sound it is that you hear, then just knowing it, hearing it, just focus your mind on that.
아니 자 찍니 찍도 뻔하게 되게요래. 배나 모자가 자니 지우자 지우가 자니 미게시베 달야 파르포 술포 근데 제나이 쳐봐요 말해. donda jati hakowa chen jatiliya mayang bachane shabayena jati kasi jurnayang chebayamal.
You can also change the sound you're listening to, the sound of a car, and the sound of a bird, the sound of people having conversation, changing from one sound to another. That's fine, as long as you hear the sound, you know that you're hearing the sound, and you can and then direct your mind toward the sound. You just listen to the sounds, focus or directing your minds towards them.
다든지 저는 검자be 값소 남도 현다 자메데 샤용요래 배나 잘라 년데베 값소 모모 sembanal 된도 와다오 되네 지 데달리 sembanal 샤다바 되네 다 속탱데 릉부도 차와 차오도 여서 죄톱나 간데야고 삼발라서 다 남도 자메데 샤그래 샤나요 되그래 남도데 샤르주 donda kirang dade maje bayina dade darong töge dona namdo 가서 샤나 샤르주 dade maje bayina namdo 샤나 샤르주 dona roju dilla tawa majamna digre.
Now when you're listening or meditating on sound like this, many other thoughts will occur. You might think about momos, you might think about rice and dal, you might think about anything. Whatever thought occurs, it's fine. The thought occurs, it's okay. Let whatever thought happens, happens, as long as you don't forget the sound. You're still listening to the sound, as long as you're still listening to the sound, let whatever thought occurs. So you just keep listening to the sound.
Oh, lasta, jendeya chene, dene tuk de lele chene, ramba jendes shurana.
So now open your eyes and just relax your mind and let yourself rest naturally, letting be.
Oh, lasta. That is, dene ta kande chongso.
So how did it go?
好，所以觉得怎么样呢？
Ta dende jene dala sem debe kapso, sem nalaya, da mene jengendo.
So when you were directing your mind towards the sound, did you think of many different things?
Pesha wayina dala sembate ste ta bakbaji yongwayina baba dala sembate te ta yamda baba yang jengire ba baba de yanjo manjo dende sem nal shar dende gansam redu ngarang baba dala nyende ba de je ne an kiran so namjun shuksa ke payu re gomba re dinala lebne dene gomba dasha nang la ya palangkala kangpa jang lawa jang nye de ya 가르치는 것만 내려서 삼바도 야나 사강 남준이 칼라 사사 근데 사강 칼라 신부여 여사 텐데지 사강 나는 렌 아데나나 라핑 좋아 대산 라핑 뭐 사기도 다 라핑 신부지 사든 야 네티 사강 된나라 라핑 사살 가르치 랩송 하고 말해 가드 랩 가르치 랩 하모 다 텐데 중앙이나 영스라 영 텐데 삼바 영스 잼바데 제사와래 잼바 하고 되게 여러 어디라 딜라 영스.
So when we're listening to the sound, like maybe you're focusing on one sound and then a motorcycle goes by, you direct your mind towards that sound as it goes up and as it goes down. And then you forget that you're listening to sound and all of a sudden you find yourself lying in your room in the hostel at the monastery, lying on the bed. And you wonder, how did I get here? Or you might think of yourself in a restaurant where they have some really delicious food. You've got there, you're thinking about the delicious laping. Everyone's eating laping these days. There's some delicious laping, and you're thinking all of a sudden, well, how did I get here? And when you don't know how you got there, then that is distraction. So when your mind is distracted, that means you've forgotten your mindfulness, your awareness. You've lost your awareness.
Yangs. Yangsedu daji konda labanashi. Ngarang kadu saganang lep. Kanjijini saganang lebat hagu yomare. Tambu gomjam dewa. Subu changbo jeda dala nyengi sande gangnam gangsam rede saganang len anire. ate gom jaguya jaga doji den ka yimolum sosa de lo gom jaguya kande jene saga nan lepson san haguya mare de yengsir.
So distraction means that it's like as we were saying before, that you don't know when you've got there. You've got to you've arrived at a restaurant. You don't know how you got there or when you got there. So first of all, you're sitting there doing meditation. You're sitting up straight. You're directing your mind, listening to sound, and you're sitting there for a while, and then all of a sudden you're blank. It's like, all of a sudden, I was doing meditation. How did I get there? What happened? That's distraction.
미가시 검접도 된데 제가 당보 인데 저러. 난 간삼는데 엔드 찬. 난 가지. 난 가지 엔데라.
Sometimes when we're doing meditation, this is what happens to us.
Can I translate?
No. So sometimes people are doing meditation and they're sitting there and they're all of a sudden they're like, and sometimes they're meditating and then.
Yinayang, penajala, samba nyende bekapso, dade maje pa, dade hako jindu, de tobaina. Sakang de semnala shanna cheba yamare. Laughing. Karpo daudang, serpo daudang. Dene kushu, chaluma, dalbat. Nepal ke dalbat, Jagar ke dalbat. De yonge, doge re nai cheba yamare. Jade mayena. De inde jade hako shinde debayina. Namdo kareshanna yang tako majabs. 까 마셨어. 까투고 말해. 남도 까야 말해. 남도 까나 남도 뭐로 그래. 다 남도 제일 마줬어. 제일 죽어도 자녀의 제네. 근데 저랑 사강나라 하. 대성이나 남도 제일 죽었어. 남도 마까 제일이야 마주. 남도 영나 돈을 줄때 주도 맞네. 자들라 선바때니 양자.
So when you're sitting there listening to the sound, you listen to it without forgetting, knowing that you're doing this. And if you're doing this, then it doesn't matter if you end up in the restaurant. It doesn't matter if there's laughing, the white laughing or the yellow laughing, if there are apples, oranges, dalbat, Nepali dalbat, Indian dalbat. It doesn't make any difference as long as you are not distracted. So when you know the sound, you're aware of the sound, then whatever thought that occurs, then it occurs. And you don't stop it. You can't stop the thought. If you try to stop the thoughts, then it'll just be more and more. And sometimes what happens, though, is we also can't follow the thoughts. So following the thoughts, that means first you're listening to the sound, and then all of a sudden you find yourself at the restaurant. You're sitting there in the restaurant, and that's following or chasing after the thoughts. So you can't block the thoughts. You cannot follow the thoughts. You just need to listen to the sound over and over again.
다달래 곰 믹서지 자외인다. 알아서 곰 뱀미스 곰 사버지.
Now we're going to do a special meditation, a really profound meditation.
다들 곰 믹서 곰 사버디 자외라 곰 기때인데 캔 넘바 담가 남거라 담가.
So when we do this special, profound meditation, you have to choose what the support for a meditation is going to be.
다 검지 땡 가르스나 뭐뭐함 달밭.
So you have to choose, is this support for a meditation going to be momos or dalbat?
다 뭐뭐 야도 거나 라바짝.
So raise your hand if you want to meditate on momos.
어라 달밭이나 달밭.
So now raise your hand for,
저도 인사를 찍어라.
it's about the same.
양자이다.
Once again,
뭐뭐
momos,
아 달밭. 뭐뭐만도.
more for momos.
다 미살 디 검디 가르스나 뭐뭐디 젠초고 말해. 까마 가시지랭라 달밭 되나양 디그레 라핑 되는 디그레 ngoma게 삼로 되는 디그레 마음 붙여지 삼다는 디그레 가레 삼로다는 디그레 얘나야 뭐뭐디 젠초고 말해.
So the special meditation is that for 5 minutes you cannot think of momos. You can think of dalbat, you can think of laughing, you can think of the future, you can think of the past, you can think of anything, but you can't think about momos.
다 뭐뭐 셈bat 나래 축 삼지 뭐뭐 샤나 검데 촐라 차도래 계속 근데 뭐뭐 짜는 대야 말.
So if momos appear in your mind even for a second, you've ruined your meditation. So you can't think about momos at all.
나 제는 뭐 구수 장부진 쇼로나
So now please sit up straight.
젠좀로나
Please close your eyes.
되는 당보 달라 세는 데 쇼로나.
Now first please sit listening to sound for a few minutes.
다 내게 제니 숨스네 숨 쉬브값서 뭐뭐 짜는 젠초 말해.
So I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, and when I say 3, you may not think about momos at all.
뭐뭐 까만찍 되나요 검 촐라 차도.
So if you think about momos for even a second, you've ruined your meditation.
고다 뭐뭐 생긴다 지지 뭐뭐 생긴다 지가 젠야 말해.
So not even, gudat momos or any other type of momos. You can't think about them at all.
뭐뭐 젠야 말해. 뭐뭐 젠야 말해. 뭐뭐 젠야 말해. 삼이야 말해. 뭐뭐 마데 뭐뭐 마데 삼이야 뭐뭐 젠죠.
You can't even think, don't think about momos, don't think about momos. Because when you think, don't think about momos, you're thinking about momos.
다 젠데 체네 맥체네 다 삼바 르르 시데쇼아.
Now open your eyes and please sit relaxing.
근데 정서.
So how did it go?
好，所以发生了什么吗？
디 검믹살데 야보도 정성.
Did the special meditation work well?
야나 뭐뭐 드레스.
Or did you think about momos a lot?
샘나는 뭐뭐 샤나 차장샤.
So raise your hand if you thought about momos.
올라스. 다가랑래. 냉가데 가르스나 뭐뭐 마티 삼바이나 뭐뭐 텐도.
So the point is that if you think, don't think about momos, you'll think about momos.
배낭 ngaranso 다 상이 투도지 땅가 두고 된 리강. 근데 리강로 투도 땅에 그 차시직 합대직만 차시직는 되는 다 칼라 신부 소에게 줍자녀 되네 알루발렙 된데 자직제 다이 합대직만 자직제 되네 다 상이 릴 투도 땅가 두고 와 링가직 나는 전 땡아랑 쟁이리 디링 니닝강 쇼가네 건다 봐도 링가드나 데네 투도 땅고 되네 다들 레베 값어 람상 police lene police shitamba police shitlene konzo cho shine sungne ta chorang la ya tene shungge ka tang yores karesna diring ni ninga chorang lenga dena chilo ro chogo mares de go yores de nganzo ge chorang tagi 니니가 다 된대서는 police 라바이나 내 지랑 셈낭라 다 깔망아야 되니도 말해 뭐라 가르 템버스나 니니가 되고 삼네 레고 열어 다 police 그 지랑 인지금 문제 되고를 나오는데 다 지랑 셈낭라 인지금 문제 저거도 되그래 다 때더니 간지 줘거서래 police들 고거를 간지 땅 거서래 식나나는 전이 야서래 푸네 반도는 야서래 삼면데 되게
So it's like if you're thinking, okay, you're going to go on a picnic. You're making plans to go on a nice, go climb a mountain, go on a picnic on the mountain. You're making your preparations for like a week. You buy all sorts of delicious food, and you make yourself like potatoes and bread. And you're preparing for a week. You're always thinking, okay, we're going to go today. I'm going to spend all day on the picnic. It's going to be beautiful. And when you get to your picnic spot, then the police show up. There are 4 police, and they're carting each of the directions, and they say, okay, today there is a special order from the government, and you are not allowed to leave this place all day long. We're going to look and make sure that you don't leave. Then all the day, if you think I have to spend all day here, you can't even spend 5 minutes there. So first of all, you wanted to be there all day. You're looking forward to spending the whole day there. And then the police show up and they say that you must stay there all day long, and you immediately start thinking, I gotta go. So you start thinking about, how can I escape from here? Is it better to go through the woods, or is it better to go over that way?
근데 인도 알아서 곰 개비 값소 민망부지 곰 세겐데 던다데 하마고네 곰 세드 삼로 가양 마땅 왔잖아 남도 간가 까 셈날라 지가 마제네 되네 우죽 잡네 다 우글라 셈때고래 달라 셈때네 나랑 담 암조도 둥둥 더제네라 전에 랑 담는 곰 잡되게 망부여래 다 늦어 되네 담 잡아래 송아래 곰 내가 하마고네.
So there are many people who, when we do meditation, people don't understand what we mean by meditation. They think that it means we have to stop all thoughts. We need to block all thoughts. So that if we're going to focus on the breath, we focus on sound, we think that means we have to stop every other thought and block it. And so then we get really tight and get so tight that you hear ringing in your ears. This means that you're getting too tight because you haven't understood the main points of meditation.
남도 매바 된데기 냠 주나야 디조 곰지 냠 송아래 곰지 냠라 메토베 냠 세 남도 매바 데베 냠 스나 르르 볼식시 가랑랑 요와 살베 냠 스나 셈바데 살링 살 당상에 라고 영화 다데살 메토바 디조 차상 곰지 냠 송아래 냠 마도 곰지 오 말해 곰지 오데 가르스나.
So when we have no thoughts, that is just an experience. It's a meditational experience. It's the meditational experience of non-thought. We might have the experience of bliss, which is feeling really comfortable and wonderful in meditation. Or we might have a feeling, an experience of clarity, where our mind is really clear, bright, and vivid. So these are the experiences we might have of bliss, or clarity, or non-thought. These are experiences, but they're not the essence of meditation. So what is the essence of meditation?
다 검용어데 가래.
So what is the essence of meditation?
다지 쉬마.
That's what I said.
또 땡돼. 송낭신이다.
Please say.
잼바.
Awareness. That's right.
검용어 잼바.
The essence of meditation is awareness.
잼바스나 가래.
So what is awareness?
하고 땡이와.
It's knowing. It's knowing.
하고네. 다 가래. 셈나 가르샤네 되게 그래. 하고네. 샤르와 하고네. 내봐이나. 검기게 미iten도 마주르베 최 가야야 말해. 시점나. 검기 땡이베 차발.
So it's just knowing and understanding, being aware. If you are able to be aware, no matter what happens in your mind, then there is nothing at all that can't become a basis or support for your meditation.
대인데 예매 검지 무지를 송바시 강샤르도 병오 소마데스 강샤르도 병오세나 셈낭라 남도 강샤나 양서래 강 샤와스나 미게베 똑바 게베 똑바 바르미 똑바 가르샤나 양스 강 샤르 똑봉오 소마스나 마주바 젬바데 남도 독부지 샤나 양 대가랑 쇼스 야보지 샤나 양 대가랑 샤고레스 바르마지 샤나 양 대가랑 샤고레스 강 샤르 똑봉오 소마데 마주스 독부드 파까 장보드 야둑 가양 제거 말레스 강 샤르 똑봉오 소마데 마주 대가를 족도 검체나세도 디토라 셈바데 샤니 텔라스타 대하고와 진짜 샤쇼스 다 되는 샤바이나 검자고요 말해 검자로 단도와 진질로 세다 말한서 까규빠게 투무 마임비게 냠랭은 내가 돼 마검스 마잉 미검 조메스 네 숨송아래 다들 네 숨부데 강가 창조고요 마잉 미검 조메 소주메와
So it's as it said, the essence, the non-distraction is the main practice of meditation as it's taught. So whatever happens in the mind, if we are just, if we are able to maintain awareness, whatever occurs in the mind, whatever thought, whether it's an unvirtuous thought, a virtuous thought, a neutral thought, whatever thought it is that occurs, we rest. So whatever, as ones who rest simply, not altering, not in that fresh essence of thought. That fresh essence of thought means that it is the unchanged, naked essence of thought as it is. Whatever it is, we rest in that. Whether if it's a bad thought, we rest in that. If it's a good thought, we rest in that. If it's a neutral thought, we rest in that without altering it. If it's a bad thought, we don't try to stop it. We don't try to make good thoughts. We just rest exactly as it is, simply not altering it. We just rest the thought, aware of how it is. And in this way, we aren't actually meditating. This is a particular instructions of the Kagyu, that we have the three qualities of non-distraction, non-meditation, and uncontrived.
되네 남도 곰도샤 나와 곰스샤 나와 조스조 세겐당 내가 난신 마르발로사가 송요래 둘라 하지 따바신 동아 라운드 저게 담아요 송완나신 녀몽바텔라야 소주 빵랑 가도 가야 맞제네 디코랑라 셈바 샤온데 디 제마 마잉 땡 차도요 디인데 따드솔라야 랑돌 송마래 디인데 따텐데게 랑돌 펜나 tukde mendo jirwa nang singa damga sede nyomong ba pang mogo ba ne khorang lam ki ten jure deso damga de yembare tadi damga ngui shi de langtong kapsu yong yore langtong semjung o de ngo she ba yena tene namdo chugur char nama chugur sharne konde yerme gapta tawa deso tog yore yinayang dada 내 쉐드 신내를 신내게 값네야 되서 그 시된 거래 송어래 신내 값 디인데 오늘 단에 랑돌 뭐디 영어요 말에 신내 값어 이나야 대당 차튼 받지 남도 검사야다 나와 검사야지 신내 값네 영어요래 다 근데 저 냠런 나와이나 되네 절와세 타르바당 절와세인데 용토네 영어요래 배신낭이야 즉 산지게 되네 즉 대화식이 님보다 되네 산지게 꾸당 이식이 연된데 중시샤 왔다와 마임바 나 나랑게 갈래 갈 검자바이나 용토네 용마토네 깨토고 열송하래.
So if we practice in this way, then our thoughts become the basis of meditation. Appearances become the basis of meditation. Appearances become an aid for meditation. This is like, as Marpa the translator taught, it's like the poison, the instructions that make poison into medicine. And so whatever it is that appears in our mind, if it's afflictions or anything else, then we don't try to change them, we don't try to make them or stop them or block them or do anything to them. We just rest on them undistracted. And if we rest in them without being distracted, then that is they are self-liberated. So self-liberation, this is like the poison becoming medicine. So the afflictions, we don't need to abandon the afflictions. They become a support for the path. These are instructions that make them a support for the path. And so in the context of insight meditation, these are thoughts arising as the Dharmakaya. And when we have the view of the inseparability of samsara and nirvana. But here we're talking about shamatha meditation. We're not talking about insight. But even in the context of shamatha meditation, we have these instructions, and we call this self-liberation. It's not the actual self-liberation, but it's like a precursor to the meditation, or to the self-liberation. And so in this way, the thoughts become a basis of meditation. The appearances become a basis of meditation. And then we can achieve liberation or freedom. We can achieve this in our own experience. And we can realize that what it tells in the texts about the Buddha nature, about Buddhahood, about the kayas and the wisdoms are not just stories. These are something that we can actually realize and experience.
Hola sutta. Dada nyamlenge trebudi, tene tolwa segende nangni tabya yaba. Dewa segende nangni shaya yaba. Kawa ndonaya kibu, kawa sonaya dewa, chik ngone changni tarpa segende da nyongthone tabya yaba. Dende chire trebudi. Yinayang go dangboni dende yongresana yongthoya kala khabore. Gom dangbu jabdu kande yongresana 다 검대 잡사네 간삼 지려오네 때네 셈낭라 남도 망부지 샤네 남도 망으로 도와도 차그래 망으로 도와도 차네 아치치 뭐망아 검마 잡에 값어 셈나 되네 망부 대매 다 달린 검지 잡인데 대야데 망으로 도서 지금 나랑 누구로 도 삼아도 샤기요래 다디 냠당부 리서치 칸에 추바바다보 냠당부디 빼다 야버래 근데 쳇나뭐 검잡도 샘나나 남도 망보지 샤와 근데 종성나 빼다야 버려다 근데 들려야 샘바 팜고 말에 샘바 껴고 말에 당가 엄마래 두그로 차서 간제 약보 냠당보 리서치 칸에 추바바다 버다 종성 삼고야
So now when we practice, the result of practice is this liberation. So wherever we go, we're comfortable. Wherever we go, we're happy. Wherever we go, it's nice. And so when you achieve this state, then whatever you do is comfortable and pleasant. And so this is the experience, and it's the result that we can actually experience in our meditation. But does this come at first? It's difficult for it to happen at the very beginning. At the beginning, what happens is you start meditating, and you meditate for a while, and then all of a sudden you start getting more and more thoughts. You think of more and more different things, and you start thinking to yourself, before I was meditating, I didn't think about so many different things. Now that I'm doing meditation, I'm getting even worse. It's getting bad. And so this is actually the first experience of meditation. This is the experience of water rushing down a mountain gorge. And so when you actually have more and more thoughts occurring, then this is excellent. This is a great sign. You should not be discouraged. You should not be upset. You should think of it that now I've started meditating and everything's getting worse. This is excellent. This is the first sign of meditation.
되네 다다 곰지 탑 가르쳐 버렸으나 달아야 샘대비 거드 쉬어버려 되네 다 곰지 탑 림바 가시지 쉬나 그래서 가르쳐나 미리라 캄면다 버려요 근데 미가시 샘번나야 즉 입당 카도 망부 샤되게 된대요 미가시 샘 캄들야 다 깨자시 되게 나랑 깨자시 Chiran cipu langkala do debe kapsa yang keja shene ta laping saka dogas cik mana ta mandros yang sumba do ta doga mandroga des go as ngarang keja shene semanang la keja she dengan dari ore mig rig mandawa yang mig gashela sorwa 직 람상 수분năng 천 수분능이야 즉 서로와 대화 동al 바람마직 즉 용고에 서로 거기가 나와시잖아 된대게 요래 미그릭 담다 대인도 검지 탑 찌게 차상라 펜토에 깔라카버레 대인도 대린 검지 탑 되서요나 숨쉬어이 즉슈 차와래 다 디젤 니쉐도 난 니디양 담가인다 담관당 거다.
So now we've had one type of meditation, one method of meditation, focusing on sound. That's one type of meditation. But there are people with different types of inclinations. So some people in natures or characters, some people naturally in their minds, they see a lot of shapes and colors and they're very visual people. Some people are more auditory people. They think about sounds, and sometimes they go around, they have like conversations in their mind. They're walking down the road, and they're having a conversation with themselves. Should I go get some laping or not? Maybe I should go, maybe I shouldn't go. Like there's two people having a conversation in their mind. Some people think about sensations, tactile sensations, touch a lot. And they think about the different bodily feelings they could experience, like the pleasant, unpleasant, and neutral feelings. And so because there's so many different types of people, no single method of meditation can work for everyone. So today we'll go through 3 different types of meditation. We've already been through 1, so we've got 2 more if we have time. And so, but now we have to make a choice, which of them we want to do.
다 검지 탑을 번니 찍대 이기 대바스 이대전 셈나라 되네 하 장야라 소바 대직제 아니 니바데 우기시네 우글 셈되는 시네레 되네 니나라 가르쇼가.
So the next 2 types of meditation, the first is the mental recitation. This means reciting a mantra mentally inside your mind. The second is doing shamatha based on the breath. So which of these 2 should we do?
이대 디시 쉬는 야사데 거나 라바장나.
Raise your hand if you think we should do mental recitation.
라스 되네 우기시네디 쉬는 야보도 거나.
So if you think it's better to do the meditation on breath,
그래도
how many are there?
파제 우마이 있으래.
There are probably more who want to meditate on the breath.
라스 다 까만 찍나라 당부 우들 장가자이 까만 찍라 미가시 까만 찍나라 우 야테 마당 살눈 가시를 살구 가시를 쩡아 되는 영어래 그래서 미가시 우 저과 탱이로와 가시 갈래 탱이요 리 캐바리 말해 던다 까만 찍나라 우 가시 탱이요 바데 장가자로나 다들 믹살도 검자고 말해 삼바담고 말해 르르 진 오드 장가 잡는 야테 마당 지 야테 마당 니 어떤데 진짜 장가 잡나.
So the first is that for 1 minute we will just count how many breaths we can do in 1 minute. So some people will do 7 breaths, some people will take 9 breaths, some 15 breaths. And this is just because some people breathe more rapidly, some people breathe more slowly. There's no difference, it doesn't matter. We'll just count how many we can do in 1 minute. You don't need to meditate upon this, you just count, you just relax, notice as you breathe in, breathe out, and you count that as 1, breathe in, breathe out, count that as 2.
되는 게 띵띵이 동양이 근데 동의 값소 옥래 장가자요 고조 되냐 차니바데 동도 샤이
So I'm going to ring the bell. The first time I ring it, then you start counting your breaths, and when I ring it the second time, then you stop. That's the end of 1 minute. Now please sit up straight. Please close your eyes. Now relax your body, relax your head, relax your face, relax your shoulders, your arms, your torso, your legs.
다 달라 세네 쇼라나.
Now please sit listening to the sound.
달라 메고시네.
So the shamatha focused on sound.
올라서다 오 장가 잡으러나
Now please count your breaths.
올라서다 젠체네 샘발르르 지는 쇼라나
Now please open your eyes and sit resting, relaxed.
올라서 되니 오 장가 가세스 정스
Now how many times did you breathe?
dunle 마와요나 차장로나
Raise your hand if it's more than 7.
쮸레 마와
More than 10?
정알레 마와
More than
多余数
15?
니슈레 마와
More than 20?
숨질레 마와
More than 30?
다빠야 버지
Oh, excellent.
다디 곰레다 말에
Is that meditation?
곰 히사레 말에
Probably not meditation.
곰 다다디 울 장가 자에도 곰레 삼나 차장로
Raise your hand if you think that the way we counted our breaths was meditation.
레레 다가랑레
That's exactly it.
제 넘버 빼 가르쳐 그래 장보 시럽 첨보 가뒤에는 익세 땅완냠도 익세 쳐봐 그냥 차도
You guys are all really smart. Every time I give you a quiz, you pass.
올라서 다디 우데 칠 용화 나도 템바 다 데라야 삼바텐 때 간삼레데 장가 맞잡네 지그래 장가지 니 장가 잡네 베나 당보 차든 장가 잡 야 삼발르 야 차든 장가 잡르르 아니 갈래갈래 차 뉴자직 봐도 당보 뉴자직 랩두고 말해 sar시nga laughing 사강나라 칼라사 가실래서 죽래서 늘었어 아야야 다 링기르지 당하는 것도야 다 가디 nga gomban lot 그래 제살래
So when you breathe out, you breathe back in, and you focus your mind on that, and you count that, and you count 1, or you 2, and then eventually it comes to a point where you don't need to count your breaths. So first you count 1 and 2, and at first you try to count up to 7. At first actually it's really difficult to count up to 7. Eventually you count 7, then more up till 21, but you can't do 21 at first. So at first you try to count up to 7, count up to 4, that's 5. Oh, there are the noodles. I'm going to go get the noodles. When can I get the noodles? Oh, wait a minute. Where did I get to? Is that 5 or is that 6? That must have been 5. I'll start over at 6 or 7. When can I go back to my monastery?
올라서다 울 미국 시내데 당 달 미국 시내데 간데야도 쳔남바게 냠뇽라 울 미국 시내데 레하 영어도와 달 미국 시내데 레하도
So in your experience, which is better, the shamatha focused on the breath or the shamatha focused on the sound? So in your experience, which is easier?
다달 미국 시내데 레하완도나 차장로나
So raise your hand if shamatha focused on sound is easier.
올라서 울 미국 시내데 레하완도나 차장로나
If shamatha focused on breathing is easier, raise your hand.
올라서 다데 미캄 기체바레 캄담마라요 디인데 다 지랑 넘발라 가레 레하와요나 당부 디토네 시내데 고쪽래
So this is just a difference in our own constitutions. So whatever is easier for you is the one that you should do first.
다탑 숨바데 이기대바 이대제네 셈낭라 데네 냠바사야 함 상제게 체 죄라서바다 덴데 제고고요
So the third practice is mental recitation, which means in your mind you recite a mantra or the names of the Buddha.
다 달랭간서 셈낭라 도야데 karma 바케노 스네 도야이다
So now what we'll focus on is just saying karma pakyano in our minds.
데네 다 karma 바 시데 두좀 상제 탐제기 틀레바 데네 다 디케노 시데 마랑소 데네 다 karma 감상 마랑소 지르까지바 하버도 접제 karma 감상 게다 마랑소 데네 달베 미 쭈고 너부 데네 경황 karma 오진 틀레도지레 안 디꿈데네 마랑소 왕롱 티메가 망부 저 타바레 데 뮤직 알바사마 총아레 데인데 데라야 데네 솔란데바 디 나네 까람바 케노 세겐데다 자체쇼 지레선 송아레 손데브케 챙게 손데브케 나네
So when we say Karmapad, he is the embodiment of the activity of all the Buddhas the 3 times. When we say Kyeno, he is like the eye or the crown jewel of our practice lineage of the Karma Kaju in particular and of all Kajus in general. Gyalwang Karmapa, Ojin Trunle Dorje, is someone from whom we've had the extraordinary fortune to receive many empowerments, instructions, and teachings from. And so when we pray to him, we recite this name mantra, it's the most important, it's the most sacred of all the name mantras.
Tene, that's semnala, Karambacheno, so Dumbatonere. That dilla, Yide Chevicauso, Lama Mikba, Lamiku, Injimiji, Gomgomare, Yigi Gundu, Iptan Katoyan, Gomgomare, Mikba Shenda, Kam Menayan Tigiore, Korang Semnala, then Tobayana, Jetan Chu, Gujayamare, Katsum, Jetan Chu, Manglua Jen, then Tokoyer, the Jenda, Peshavana, Katsum Nera.
So when we recite Karmapa-Khyeno in our minds, it's a mental recitation. We don't need to visualize the Guru. We don't need to think about anything. We don't need to have any other visualization, no forms or shapes or anything. We just recite it in our mind. Without moving our tongues or our lips. We shouldn't move our tongues or lips, just recite it in our minds.
Lamala Sota or Karambacheno, Canada, Semgeda, Karamba Dunlongom, then Wangshi Lane, that is a go yore. In a Semgan Dumbayina, then Gomyang Red Gorilla, then Semdang, then Sondebam, Nadi, you got challenge, Yam the Rendor, then the Mixaldo, Migocom the Matayan Canada make a Karambachana, Sam with Zambulin Korajam, Karambajana, Kawai, Kazan made you sort of song out on the song you read to say, oh, yeah, Karambajana, Zambulin Korajamna, Pendachambasha Yamare.
So when we recite the mantras with our mouth, then we do need to do a visualization in our mind. We need to focus our mind, visualize the Guru in front of us, take the four empowerments and so forth. But when we do a mental recitation, then that itself becomes meditation. So we recite it in our mind, it becomes a prayer, a mantra, and so forth. And so it's not necessary to do any other meditation if you're not, any other visualization if you're not able. When we recite it with our mouths, sometimes what happens is that we're reciting with our mouths, but our mind is circling the entire world. It's going everywhere in the world. And we're starting thinking, so I went to this factory yesterday and everything was fine, Karmapa-Khyeno, Karmapa-Khyeno, Karmapa-Khyeno. And so you can be reciting it with your mouth and your mind might be traveling the entire world.
Hola Suta, Namalenji Chasang Yang, Kuzu Jambo, Jinishurana.
So now please everyone sit up straight.
Then Dalin Chen, Zum 9 degree, Chen 9 degree, the Ransokare, Nana Chapamento.
Now you may either meditate with your eyes open or closed, whatever is easiest for you.
Tambo, Kuzu Lulu, Jinishurana.
First, please relax your body.
Udang, Chakbatang, Gyaptang, there's a Lulu, Jinishu.
Your head, your shoulders, your arms, and your torso, just relax everything.
Changdang, Chakotang.
So relax your chest, your stomach, and everything.
Ta semnalaya Karambacheno, Sen Surana, Kage, Jetang Chudi, Mangluajini, Surana.
Now, in your mind, recite Karmapa-Khyeno, 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 but do not move your lips or your tongue.
Oh, Lasata, Sambal.
Now just sit relaxed, letting everything be.
Oh, las. Then that the conditions.
So how did it go?
That number ide that the yiki devas. Ide de gomje tap sumnani, ide de lelasho jungudu gona, chajana.
Now raise your hand if you think that the mental recitation was the easiest of the three types of meditation.
Oh yeah, that come that you should naji. Make come and our the drink Chenambala, the name Dishuenda Nangjong Jene Chutin Truth have a cups young, the name Yamlen Nang Shay.
So this is just because of the different types of people. So now I'd like to give you all a little bit of homework. After we end our session, please all of you do some practice.
That is a nyongti second gom yapore. Chenamba gom gore, Magomna, then a betty and dowre. 마도 뇽티 차요 말에 데인데 다 베티암 시티다 뇽티스는 검고 요래 데인데 중나 체나마 데린 건다 라노스 쿠르낭레 가와슈나양 까망암 쭈암 뉴실라서 왔다 가세 터덥지 걸어야 잠로 셈게 탈랑어만람 제네 검라나.
So this is an experiential instruction, an experiential teaching. That means you have to do some meditation. If you don't do meditation, then it's a textual instruction or a textual teaching. So this is a meditation instruction, so you should do some meditation. So tonight, after this is done, you should go back to wherever you're staying, the tent or wherever you're staying, and spend 5 or 10 or 20 minutes doing the practice, starting with refuge and bodhicitta, doing the practice, and ending with dedications and aspirations.
되네 산이양 익세 땅이다. 제나마 낭정 낭여나면 익세 땅이 미래를 점시.
And so tomorrow I'm going to give you a test, see if you've done your homework. I'm going to test each of you individually.
되네 다들라 툰스레 다 툰삼은 냠는세도 가두 검잡나야 되게 요래 가와 잡나야 되게 요래 사자 가와 이나야 칼라 사사레 로사레 데사레 가와 이나야 되게 요래 가두 검잡나 되게 쇼게 인공 되스레 쳐봐요 말아 다들이야 툰삼지 검세 베나케랑 시당지 랑네 쫄랑네 민딜링에 때못때아 삼네 시당지 깨와 있는 람상 울sem데 우글sem대기로와 우감 이대암 다치랑서 남주 검지탑 가래 렐 하와요나 디검거래 디검바이나 세당에 나르데마 충도그래 야 차도 시께네 나단 코니 직바인 다 땡상 나래 코야 저거도 디 탑시 간데 땅네 코 매버제 마오서야 탑시 땅고도 삼는 차도 제와이나 라야 우글sem대 되는 제와이나야 차도 나르데 시루요 데라소바 녀몽바 삼찰이와 삼바 기분매바 닝룽 떠라 창네 니 막고 발라서 가래 줘나야 다다 검데 잡아이나 팬토거래 데인데다 되는 냠내 나로나 되는다 드링 주든 데삼도 쉐이.
So that is the session, and then there's also the post meditation or the between session practice. This means wherever you're doing, whatever you're going, whatever you're doing, you can do meditation. Wherever you stay, wherever you're walking, on the path, on the way, in the morning, in the evening, at any time you could do the meditation. This is the post-meditation practice. It's like when you get really angry at someone, you think, then I'm gonna really show them. Then focus on your mind on the breath, meditate on the breath. Or if it's easier for you to do the mental recitation or to meditate on sound, you do that. And you'll find that your anger immediately decreases. Or you might get really envious of someone. And you might think to yourself, I'm as good as them. I'm going to do whatever I can to sort of bring them down to size. That time, then you meditate on your breath, and that envy will get less and less, and so forth. Like with any of the afflictions, or any worry that you have, or when you have any disappointments, or when you have difficulty sleeping, you can do this type of meditation. So that is enough for this session.